Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bands back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 10th, 2025. Hoping everybody had a great Saturday out there so far. Everybody had a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because that's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system here that's slowly moving across the southeast. Going to bring a lot of precipitation to areas of the south and southeastern United States, all the way back into a portion of Missouri, to Arkansas, to Oklahoma and Texas region as well. Also across Florida, down into the Yucatan Peninsula, also in the Caribbean Sea, also across Cuba and also the Bahamas as well. You got another storm system out here in the Pacific Northwest over toward Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, Northern California. And you can see another little upper level low trying to spin right over Wyoming there as well. We got more scattered activity across South America. Got a lot of precipitation loading up over here in the Eastern Pacific. And the Atlantic looks pretty quiet at this time. So, alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got a little bit of shower activity up here around Maine, back in the New Hampshire portion of northern Vermont. And then we got thunderstorms and showers from Virginia down to the Carolinas, to Florida, Atlantic coastal water down into the Gulf, stretching from Alabama to Mississippi to Louisiana, Texas, all the way up into Arkansas, and also Kentucky and Tennessee region area as well. More thunderstorms and showers from North and South Dakota down to Colorado, to Utah, to Wyoming, to Montana. Excuse me. Also a portion of Idaho as well, and Nevada. Even got some thunderstorms and showers on coastal areas, Washington, Oregon, and Northwest California. Alright, we got some mixed precipitation across Colorado, stretching up into Washington, also in the portion of Oregon, Northern California, Idaho, and Montana region right along the Canadian-U.S. border. Even got some flash flooding and heavy rain across South Carolina, down into Georgia, northern Florida, Florida Keys, the Florida Panhandle, also the Big Bend area of Florida, Alabama, and Georgia. Even got some critical fire weather up from Nebraska to South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright, here's a look at your Monday forecast now. Alright, you can see we got some shower activity up here across portion of Maine. Then more shower activity over here in portion of North Dakota, back into Montana, to Wyoming, right along the Canadian-U.S. border. Thunderstorms and showers for Washington, Oregon, and California coastal areas and a little bit inland. Also shower activity across Southern California. And then from California to Nevada to Oregon, Washington, Idaho, and Montana region as well. Some mixed precipitation there. Got some flash flooding, heavy rain from Virginia to North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and much of Florida region as well. Got thunderstorms and showers from Michigan to Illinois to Missouri to Louisiana to Georgia, down to Florida. Also portion of the Gulf, Atlantic coastal waters stretching up to Delaware, D.C., Maryland, Pennsylvania, and also New York State as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, here's a look at the current watches, warning, and advisory map for your location across the nation. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, we got some flood watches in effect up here across portions of Vermont. Also, again, across South Georgia, Florida, and also a portion of Alabama, and the Big Bend area of Florida, and the Panhandle area as well. Even got some severe thunderstorm warnings down across South Georgia and North Florida. Got some, still got some area rivers up here in portions of Vermont. Over here in Vermont, New Hampshire, also down toward Connecticut, also down toward the Boston area as well, and also Connecticut region. And then again from portions of Arkansas down to Texas, Louisiana, and also Mississippi. Got some hydro issues over here in portions of areas of Colorado, New Mexico, and also in the portion of Montana, and also a portion of northern Wyoming. Red flag warning stretching from Nebraska to Minnesota to North and South Dakota, and also portions of Montana as well. Also got some severe thunderstorm warnings in Montana, special weather statements there as well. More special weather statements over here in portions of areas of Wisconsin, northern Michigan, and got some areas of frost advisory for central and northern Michigan. Also, more special weather statement for southern and southeastern areas of New Mexico and Arizona. Air quality alerts there as well. Some high wind watches in effect for southwestern Montana. Wind advisory there as well, stretching into Idaho, Oregon, Nevada, and California regions as well. You got some heat advisories across South California. Alright, we got the small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down toward the New York City area. Also in the Big Bend area, stretching over to the Florida Panhandle. Then again from South California all the way up to portions of Portland, Oregon area as well. Also around the Hawaiian Chain Island, around the Alaska region. Also got some blizzard warning to the northwestern areas, some freezing spray warnings, inland hydro issues as well. Alright, excuse me. Alright, now let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your Sunday. We got marginal risk from Charleston, South Carolina down toward Tampa. Also over toward Mobile, Alabama, Birmingham, Alabama as well. Another marginal risk from Glasgow to Great Falls down towards areas of Jackson, Wyoming, and eastern Idaho as well. Also, we got general thunderstorm from Charlotte to Columbia to areas of Little Rock to New Orleans down toward Miami. Also, Pablo up to Bismarck, Spokane, and also Pendleton area as well. Also, tornado probability looks like this: 2% across South Carolina, Charleston area to Savannah, to Jacksonville, to Tampa, to Dalton, Columbus, Tallahassee area. 2% risk for tornado. Damaging winds look like this: 5%. And the large hail looks like this: 5% in the same vicinities as well. Alright, let's move on to the excuse me. Take a look at day number 3. I think I'm having some sinus issues starting to come back on me, so just bear with me, folks. We'll be through this here in just a few minutes. Alright, general thunderstorm from Redding, California, all the way up to Spokane, Washington. Also over toward the Mezzolo area of Montana. Then again from Fort Wayne to areas of New Orleans to Wilmington, the Raleigh area, to Charlotte. General thunderstorm from Columbia to Charleston to Savannah, all the way to Columbus, all the way down to Fort Myers. The marginal risk probability should be 5% respectively. There we go. And we have a severe weather outlook already for day number 6. And it's going to look something like this. Here it is: 15% risk areas stretching from Evansville to St. Louis to Hannibal to Pierre to Milwaukee to Chicago to Green Bay to La Crosse area as well. So, alrighty, well, hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Saturday evening, folks. Take care, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.